high order derivatives. y fx, फर्स्ट ऑर्डर dy by dx f dash x, फिर सेकेंड ऑर्डर मतलब d स्क्वायर y अपॉन dx स्क्वायर f डबल डैश x, थर्ड ऑर्डर d क्यूब y अपॉन dx स्क्वायर क्यूब f ट्रिपल डैश x. फाइंड d स्क्वायर y dx if y is equals to 4x क्यूब माइनस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 4x प्लस 25. डी स्क्वायर y के लिए पहले अपने को dy बाई dx निकालना पड़ेगा. तो y को लिखो ऐसे कैसे, क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा, डिफ्रेंशिएट करो x के रिस्पेक्ट में. dy बाई dx इज इक्वल्स टू d बाई dx 4x क्यूब माइनस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 4x प्लस 25. dy बाई dx इज इक्वल्स टू 4 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 3 2x प्लस 4 1 प्लस 0. dy by dx is equals to 12x square minus 6x plus 4. Now d square y upon dx square is equals to d by dx dy by dx. dy by dx 12x square minus 6x plus 4 क्या आ जाएगा 12 2x minus 6 plus 0, तो फाइनली क्या आ जाएगा 24x minus 6. Find the second derivative with respect to x of the function 2e की power x minus log x plus 4x. Let y is equals to 2ex minus log x plus 4 raised to the power x. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx dy by dx 2e की power x minus log x plus 4 raised to the power x. 2e की power x minus 1 upon x plus 4x log 4. Now d square y upon dx square is equals to d by dx dy by dx. d by dx 2ex minus 1 upon x plus 4x log 4. 2e की पावर x plus 1 upon x square plus 4 is to the power x log 4 का square. Increasing and decreasing function. f is increasing at x is equals to a, f dash a greater than 0. f is increasing at x is equals to a greater than f dash a less than 0. Find the values of x for which the function fx is equals to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 72x plus 11 is increasing or decreasing. fx is equals to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 72x plus 11. fx is equals to d by dx of fx. d by dx 2x cube minus 3x square minus 72x plus 11. 2 3x square minus 3 2x minus 72 plus 0. 6x square minus 6x minus 72. f is increasing, f dash x greater than 0. 6x square minus 6x minus 72 greater than 0. x square minus x minus 12 greater than 0. x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 12 greater than 0. x minus 4 plus 3x minus 4 greater than 0. x minus 4 greater than 0 and x plus 3 greater than 0 or x minus 4 less than 0 and x plus 3 less than 0. Let x minus 4 greater than 0. Let x minus 4 greater than 0 and x plus 3 greater than 0. तो x plus x greater than 4 and x is greater than minus 3. Therefore x is greater than 4 क्योंकि इंक्रीजिंग है इसलिए पॉजिटिव वाला अपन लेंगे. Now let x minus 4 less than 0 and x plus 3 less than 0. x minus 4 x is greater than 4 less than 4 and x is less than minus 3. Therefore x is less than minus 3. f is increasing for all x is greater than 4 and for all x is greater than minus 3. ठीक है, अब अपन नेक्स्ट करेंगे. f is decreasing, f x less than 0, 6x square minus 6x minus 72 less than 0, x square minus x minus 12 less than 0, x square plus 4x plus 3x minus 12 less than 0, x minus 4 greater than 0 and x plus 3 less than 0, or x minus 4 less than 0 and x plus 3 less than 0. Let x minus 4 greater than 0 and x plus 3 less than 0. X greater than 4 and x less than minus 3. This is impossible. Let x minus 4 less than 0 and x plus 3 greater than 0. X is less than 4 and x is greater than minus 3. Therefore f is decreasing for all minus 3. x greater than होगा minus 3 से और x less than होगा 4 से. Minima and maxima. Find f dash x and find f double dash x. Take f dash is equals to 0 and find value of x. ये सारे स्टेप्स हैं जो आपको फॉलो करने पड़ेंगे आगे वाले क्वेश्चंस में. Put the value of x in f double dash x. To check the given function is minima or maxima, f double dash x greater than 0 implies f is minima. F double dash x greater than 0 implies f is maxima. Put the value of x in fx to get maximum value or minimum value. Examine for maxima and minima the function fx is equals to x cube minus 9x square plus 24x plus 7. Fx is equals to x cube minus 9x square plus 24x plus 7. f dash x निकालेंगे. d by dx x cube minus 9x square plus 24x plus 7 is equals to 3x square minus 9 into 2x plus 24 1 plus 0. x से कितना होता है 1. 2x स्क्वायर में कितना होता है 2x. x क्यूब का 3x स्क्वायर. तो अपने पास फाइनली क्या जाएगा 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 18x प्लस 24. फिर अपन क्या निकालेंगे f डबल डैश x इज इक्वल्स टू d बाई डी एक्स एफ डैश एक्स. d बाई डी एक्स एफ डैश एक्स कितना होगा 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 18x इसका प्लस 24. तो कितना आ जाएगा 3 इंटू 2x एक्स स्क्वायर का 2x माइनस 18x का 1 प्लस 24 का 0 6x माइनस 18. टेक एफ डैश एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू 0. 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 18x प्लस 24 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. 3 कॉमन आ जाएगा क्या बचेगा x स्क्वायर माइनस 6x प्लस 8 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. अपन 6x को तोड़ेंगे उसके फैक्टर्स निकालने के लिए रूट्स निकालने के लिए. x स्क्वायर माइनस 4x माइनस 2x प्लस 8 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. x माइनस 4 माइनस 2x माइनस 4 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. x माइनस 2 x माइनस 4 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. x माइनस 4 इज इक्वल्स टू 0 और x माइनस 2 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. x इज इक्वल्स टू 4 और x इज इक्वल्स टू 2. तो अपने पास x की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 4 और x इज इक्वल्स टू 2. पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ x इज इक्वल्स टू 4 इन f डबल डैश x. f डबल डैश x कितना है 6x माइनस 18. 6 इंटू 4 माइनस 18 24 माइनस 18 इज इक्वल्स टू 6. f डबल डैश x greater than 0. f is minima at x is equals to 4. Put the value of x is equals to 4 in f double dash x. 4 cube minus 9 4x square plus 24 into 4 plus 7. तो अपने पास क्या आ जाएगा 23. Now put the value of x is equals to 2 in f double dash x. f double dash 2 is equals to 6 into 2 minus 18 is equals to minus 6. तो f double dash 2 less than 0. fx maximum. f is maxima at x is equals to 2. Put the value of x in fx. Maximum value is equals to 2 cube minus 9 into 2 का square plus 24 into 2 plus 7. तो 8 minus 36 plus 48 plus 7 is equals to 27. Maximum value is equals to 2 cube minus 9 into 2 का square plus 24 into 2 plus 7 is equals to 8 minus 36 plus 48 plus 7 is equals to 27. जो अपन ने स्टेप्स देखे थे अभी थोड़ी देर पहले ये उन्हीं स्टेप्स पे बेस्ड है. Divide 100 into 2 parts so that their product is maximum. Let first part be x and other part be 100 minus x. fx is equals to x. 100 minus x is equals to 100x minus x square. अब अपन इसका f dash x निकालेंगे. d by dx 100x minus x square 100 minus 2x. f double dash x is equals to d by dx. f dash x is equals to d by dx 100 minus 2x is equals to minus 2. Take f dash x is equals to 0. 100 minus 2x is equals to 0. तो x is equals to 50. Put the value of x is equals to 50 in f double dash x. f double dash 50 is equals to minus 2 is equals to less than 0. f is maximum at x is equals to 50. फर्स्ट पार्ट x is equals to 50, तो सेकेंड पार्ट या फिर अदर पार्ट 100 minus x 100 minus 50 is equals to 50. कॉस्ट फंक्शन क्या होता है? फिक्स कॉस्ट प्लस वेरिएबल कॉस्ट. एवरेज कॉस्ट c by x where x is equals to a number of units produced or demanded. मार्जिनल कॉस्ट d by dx to power c. एवरेज रेवेन्यू r by x is equals to px by x is equals to p. मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू is equals to d by dx to power r multiply by r, तो profit is equals to r minus c. The cost of producing x items is given by x square plus 10x plus 25. Find the average cost and the marginal cost functions. What is the marginal cost when x is equals to 10? Find x for which marginal cost is equals to average cost. Cost function c is equals to x square plus 10x plus 25. Average cost ca is equals to c upon x is equals to x square plus 10x plus 25 upon x is equals to x plus 10 plus 25 upon x. फिर नेक्स्ट है मार्जिनल कॉस्ट cm is equals to d by dx c. d by dx c कितना है? x square plus 10x plus 25 2x plus 10 plus 0, तो ग्रुप के पास कितना आ जाएगा? 2x plus 10. यहाँ पर एक्सेस क्लिक किया था क्योंकि वो एवरेज कॉस्ट था. मार्जिनल कॉस्ट में सिर्फ सी चाहिए होता है. सी कितना है? एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 10x प्लस 25. नाउ मार्जिनल कॉस्ट सी एम इंटू 100. 2 इंटू 10 प्लस 10 20 प्लस 10 इज इक्वल्स टू 30. नाउ मार्जिनल कॉस्ट इज इक्वल्स टू एवरेज कॉस्ट. 2x प्लस 10 2x प्लस 10 इज इक्वल्स टू x प्लस 10 25 by x. x is equals to 25 by x. This implies x square is equals to 25. So x is equals to 5 minus 5. Number of units cannot be produced negatively, therefore x is equals to 5. Next question. Total cost function is c is equals to 300x minus x square plus 25. Find x for which the total cost function is decreasing. Total cost function c is equals to 300x minus x cube plus 25. d by dx c is equals to d by dx 300x minus x cube plus 25. 300 minus 3x square plus 0. 300 minus 3x square. Total cost function is decreasing. d by dx c less than 0. 300 minus 3x square less than 0. 300 is less than 3x square. 100 less than x square less than 100, x is greater than 10. The total cost function is given by c is equals to x cube minus 24x square plus 189x plus 10. Find x for which the cost is minimum. Total cost function c is equals to x cube minus 24x square plus 189x plus 10. f dash x implies d by dx of c is equals to d by dx x cube minus 24x square plus 189x plus 10. 3x square minus 48x plus 189. d square c upon dx square is equals to d by dx c. d by dx 3x square minus 48x plus 189 is equals to 6x minus 48. f dash x is equals to 0. 3x square minus 48x plus 189 is equals to 0. x square minus 16x plus 63 is equals to 0. ये वो ये जो अपन ने पहले स्टेप्स में अपन ने देखा था, अब वो स्टेप पर यहाँ पर है. x square minus 9x minus 7x plus 63 is equals to 0. x minus 9 minus 7 x minus 9 is equals to 0. x minus 9 x minus 7 is equals to 0. x is equals to 9, x is equals to 7. Put the value of x is equals to 9 in d squared c upon dx square. d squared c upon dx square at x is equals to 9. 6 into 9 minus 48. 54 minus 48 is equals to c greater than 0. Cost function is minima at x is equals to 9. Put the value of x is equals to 7 in d squared c upon dx square. d squared c dx square at x is equals to 7 is equals to 6 into 7 minus 48 is equals to 42 minus 48 greater than implies minus 6 greater than 0. Cost function is maximum at x is equals to 7. Marginal revenue is equals to RK. A 1 minus 1 upon n. Average revenue is equals to price per unit. Find the price if the marginal revenue is 30 and the elasticity of demand is 2. एवरेज रेवेन्यू निकालना है, N2 है और मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू कितना है 30. RM is equals to RA into 1 minus 1 upon N as per the formula. 30 is equals to RA into 1 minus 1 by 2. 30 is equals to RA 1 by 2. RA is equals to 60. Price is equals to 60. The demand function is D is equals to P plus 3 upon P minus 1, where D is equals to demand and P is equals to price. Find the elasticity of demand when the price is 5. D is equals to P plus 3 upon P minus 1. D upon dP is equals to D upon dP. P plus 3 upon P minus 1. U upon V का फॉर्मूला लगेगा, क्या होता है V upon D by dx U minus U D by dx V upon V square. D by dP is equals to P minus 1 D by dP P plus 3 minus P plus 3 D by dx P minus 1 upon P minus 1 का square. P minus 1 P plus 3 में 1 minus P plus 3 into 1 upon P minus 1 का square is equals to P minus 1 minus P minus 3 upon P minus 1 का whole square. Minus 4 upon P minus 1 का square. Elasticity of demand N is equals to minus P upon D into dP upon dP. Minus P upon P plus 3 upon P minus 1 into minus 4 upon P minus 1 का square. At P is equals to 5 and P is equals to 5 is equals to 4 into 5 upon 8 into 4 is equals to 5 by 8. Thank you all. This completes the chapter number 9, that is application, derivatives and application of derivatives. Thank you.